Alright guys, so in today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this style that I'm wearing right now, all for under $20. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. So in today's video, yes girl, new hair, who this? Okay, tell me what you guys think down below. But yes, your girl is coming back with another hair tutorial. As you guys know, I am the box braid queen, okay? Box braids, knotless braids, whatever type of braids, that's me. Protective styles for sure. So I'm coming back today with another hair tutorial slash demo, however you want to describe it. It seemed as if you guys really loved my last hair tutorial, so I'm coming back with another one, and that is on this hair here. Now I will show you guys a clip where I had all the hair down. Now unfortunately I do not have any of my headbands available to show how I wear the hair day to day when it's all down, but yes, the girl is coming through. Now this hairstyle has been trending throughout the summer. I have seen quite a few celebrities wearing their hair like this, and typically the hair is all down, as you guys saw in the last clip. But I thought it was super cute with the little top knot, you know. I thought it was cute like this. Let me know what you guys prefer, all down or half up, half down. So I'm loving this right now. As you guys see in the front, I do have a few cornrows. I'm not exactly sure how many. I will put it on the screen. I'll also let you guys know all the details about this hair, how long it took. You know I got you, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first off, I want to let you guys know where I went wrong, okay, with this hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys the clip. This is how I did my hair at first. So today is day 2. I did my hair actually yesterday, and I braided the hair down, you know, as I'm going to show you guys in the video. But I didn't like that it didn't give me like any dimension. So for one, I already have a big forehead. Like, let's get that out the way. We already know I'm very smart. Don't get it twisted. But I have a big forehead, and you know, I'm okay with that. And I didn't feel like braiding the hair all the way down like I did before it gave me like any dimension, anything to the style. Alright, so I just want to come and show you guys the difference. Like braiding, doing the cornrows was leaving some of the hair out, as I've done in these braids. It just gives it a little more depth versus like this. I didn't like the way it looks. I feel like it was too flat. I already have a big forehead, so yeah, no. So I like it a whole lot better like this. And again, I say that I only use the crochet hair, so I will be doing it like that next time. I know it looks big. I'm going to go through and like shape it down, all that. We're going to get it together, okay? But I just want to come and show you guys a better visualization of what I mentioned. Like this side is how I did it yesterday, and it's braided down, you know. And this side, like I said, I left pieces of the curly hair out as I was braiding once I did the scalp braids. So then I started to leave pieces of the curly hair out, and I feel like it looks a whole lot better. So let me do this side and then I'll be back. So I went back, I thought about it, slept on it. I was like, you know what, I'm going to redo the front of my hair. And when I say redo, all I did was just take out the braid and re-braid it. So at first I used braiding hair as well as the crochet hair. And the braiding hair could be any pre-stretched hair that you have. This is the crochet hair that I used. And this is in the style Pearl. Now this only came in 18 inches, as you guys see down below. The package that it came in also came with 3 bundles in each package. Now I did get 2 packages of the crochet hair just to be safe, and I'm glad that I did. As I was stating before, I will braid the braids in the front, and towards the end I will add in the curly pieces of the crochet hair, which I thought would give me the desired look that I wanted, but it did not. Like I stated, I was braiding it too far down. It wasn't giving me any dimension around the front when I wore all the hair down. So you guys are going to see in the clips how I went back, took those out, and how I was braiding down, leaving strands of the curly hair out. I also want to mention that when I redid the front of my hair, I did not use the braiding hair again at that point. I only used the crochet hair. So right now, this is all crochet, only crochet hair. To get the look that I wanted with the curliness, like starting as soon as the braids to the scalp ended here. I wanted to start to be curly as well as braided, like a little mix of both, almost like those goddess braids. I don't know if those are what those are called, but they're like braided and you see like strands of curly hair out. So that's what I did to create this style. Yes, I just want to come and let you guys know I used 1 pack of braiding hair initially, which at this point I would say to omit that. You don't even need the braiding hair. If you're trying to get the desired style that I have, you can only use the crochet hair. So this hairstyle was very inexpensive. It was less than $20 from start to finish. Very inexpensive, save you some coins, do it yourself, okay? And it came out really cute. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys that quick little tip. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play as well. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. At this point in the video, let's just take a brief moment to make sure that we are subscribed to the channel. It is completely free, I promise. Nothing but good vibes over here. Guys, at this point, I'm just showing you how I did my braid down for my crochet braids. I call this the honeycomb. I did see this braid pattern from somewhere on YouTube or Instagram. I'm not completely sure, but it does involve 2 anchor braids, which just basically gives you a great base for your crochet braids. I think I ended up with about 6 or 7 braids which were connected to each other. You'll see here that I'm just crocheting the ends of the braids into each other so that they're not sticking out in the style. Alright guys, so this is the final braid down. You'll see that top anchor braid that I'm showing you as well as the one at the back at the bottom, and these are the braids in between. Like I said, this was a great base for my crochet braids, so definitely try this out for your next style. You will see here that I'm knotting the hair, I think about 3 or 4 times, and then I also tie it as well, just to be sure. We don't need nothing slipping out, and you'll see that I just repeat that here until I just about complete the back portion of it, and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. Now, let's just take a moment to acknowledge how seamless this looks. This looks like my real hair. Like, you cannot see braids whatsoever. And let's just get into the curl pattern. This is in its natural state, no products whatsoever. So guys, a couple of things I wanted to mention about this hair. This hair is super soft, easy to manage, inexpensive, and I feel like it's a great quality. At night, I just literally twisted in about 6 big twists. I sprayed some of the Cantu spray on here that I'm going to show you guys in the video. Twist it up in about 6 sections, and then I'm good to go. This hair is very manageable, super soft. It tangles a little, which is to be expected. I mean, it's curly hair. Like, look at the texture. It's not like too shiny, too dull. It's like a great mix. It looks like it could be my hair. We know it's not. But guys, it's super cute. If you're looking for a quick style, something to do yourself at home to save you some coins, something to last you 2 to 3 weeks or more depending on your upkeep, this is the perfect hair, perfect style. Like, I'm in love. But yes guys, please let me know down below what you guys think. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you guys think about the style. Do you prefer it all down, half up, half down? Let your girl know. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!